How to log in or sign into Paramount Plus account online. Hi everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete. And today in this tutorial, we'll be talking about logging into your Paramount Plus account online. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open web browser and enter www.paramount.com in the URL box and press enter to visit the official web page of the paramount.com. In order to sign into your Paramount Plus account, you have to first click on the three lines in the top right corner of the screen, and as soon as you do that, click on the Paramount Plus that is in the bottom of the screen on the right side. Click on it. This is a subscription-based streaming service which offers a wide range of TV shows, movies, and live sport events. Locate and click on the sign in button that is in the top right corner of the screen just beside the try it for free. Click on it. Then a login portal will appear where in the first field you have to enter the correct form with your email address. Soon after you do that, go ahead and type in the correct form with your password of your account and click on the continue button highlighted in blue color. In the case if you have forgotten your password, you can go ahead and click on the forgot password link in order to successfully retry or reset your password. And in the case if you haven't registered for Paramount Plus account yet, you can simply hover your mouse to the sign up button that is in the top right corner of the screen and click on it. Then simply pick your plan according to your preference. Enter your full name, your email address, your password, your zip code, birth date, gender, and click on continue. And also follow the on-screen instructions, and this will help you create a new account with Paramount Plus. So this was all about it. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.